Hi guys, so today I'm going to do a tutorial on Lotus flower using Dom's brush pens as well as the Camlin watercolor paints. So this is my first attempt today at this watercolor kind of a painting. I have just tried and I hope that you like it. So I tried and I very well know that this is not the best uh, work and best attempt that I made, but definitely I am hoping to improve upon the same with some practice. And I just wanted to put it out there that even if you're not going for it in the first attempt, you can still get it, and it's all about practice actually. So I'll just quickly start and let you know that what I have done. So I've taken some taken some Camlin paints, and I have created a light base using the watercolor because I wanted it to give a little bit of dimensional kind of look. So I have taken I've diluted it a lot with water. So one thing that you need to keep in mind here is that you should always have a tissue with you, so to wipe off the excess, and that makes a huge difference if you want to create dimensions and layer it, even from lighter to darker or darker to lighter. You need to have a tissue paper so that you can wipe off the excess of the watercolor that you have. You can always play around with these and create a little bit more lighter base or darker base as per your liking. What I've done here is that I have went ahead and created a little bit of outlining and as well as a little bit of dimensions, the slight more color, and then I went ahead and made a stem and the leaves from using the same technique. So if it turned out the way you wanted, that's great, but if it did not, and just like me, you wanted it a little bit more vibrant, then what all you need to do is that take some Dom's brush pen and just layer it over this, highlight a little bit of dimensions where you want to put the petals, and then go ahead, add some water so that the Dom's brush pen can actually mix up with the watercolors. So you just need to go ahead, add a few outlines where you want the petals, and then put a little bit of water to basically merge them, and then go ahead and just put out some strokes with the brush pen. Then take a clean brush and dissolve that watercolor and remove the excess, and try to create a little more dimensions, and take some very light pink color and then just lay it over it so that it can create a lot of petal dimensions as we want, and then use the same technique in the petals. And since the petals were not the way it was, they were not the way I wanted and it was a bit darker, so you can always use a tissue paper to wipe off the excess water and paint. And now just to amp it up a little bit, I have taken my fine liner pens and I have just drawn some outlines and given it some depth. And as you can see, I have created a little bit of shadows as well in the middle. Don't worry about the perfect lines or the perfect strokes. All you need to do is just add a little bit of depth and detailing. That is all we need. So actually this is the beauty of drawing a flower or painting, that it is perfect in its own way. So no two flowers can be similar, just like your paintings. So there you have it, and I hope you like this, and please let me know in the comment section below that if you want to view more such content, I'll be happy to create, and definitely I'll improve upon this so that I can make good content for you too.